Welcome to our lesson on loops in Dart, a fundamental concept that allows us to repeat a block of code multiple times. Today, we'll explore the different types of loops in Dart and how to effectively use them in your programs. Loops are essential for automating repetitive tasks and iterating over collections of data in Dart. They help us write concise and efficient code by executing a block of code multiple times. Dart provides several types of loops. 1. For loop. 2. While loop. 3. Do while loop. 4. For in loop. The for loop in Dart is used to execute a block of code repeatedly for a fixed number of times. It consists of three parts: initialization, condition, and increment. Let's see how to use a for loop in Dart. The while loop in Dart is used to execute a block of code repeatedly as long as a condition is true. It evaluates the condition before each iteration. Let's explore how to use a while loop in Dart. The do while loop in Dart is similar to the while loop, but it guarantees that the block of code is executed at least once before checking the condition. Let's see how to use a do while loop in Dart. The for in loop in Dart is used to iterate over elements of collections like lists and maps. It simplifies the process of iterating through collections. Let's explore how to use a for in loop in Dart. Dart provides loop control statements like break and continue to control the flow of loops. The break statement is used to exit a loop prematurely, while the continue statement is used to skip the current iteration and proceed to the next one. We can nest loops within each other in Dart to perform more complex iterations. Nested loops are useful for iterating over multidimensional data structures or implementing algorithms that require multiple iterations. Following best practices ensures efficient and readable code. 1. Use descriptive loop variable names for clarity. 2. Avoid infinite loops by ensuring loop termination conditions are met. 3. Minimize the number of loop iterations by optimizing algorithms when possible. Loops are powerful tools in Dart programming, enabling automation and iteration over data. By mastering loops, you can write more efficient and structured code. Thank you for exploring loops in Dart with us. Practice using loops to automate tasks and iterate over data in your Dart projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!